Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to complete the birthday wish event in my Hello Kitty Cafe on Roblox. I'll be guiding you through all the steps to finish each of the 3 birthday wishes. I've already completed the second wish, so I'll guide you through wishes 1 and 3. So let's get started. Let's start with the first wish. We need to light up 5 hearts in another player's town. Click on a heart to light it up. You'll know it worked when it glows. Do this until you've lit up 5 hearts. We will do really quick so we can complete wish number 1. This is other second heart. Let's go another town. We have do that 2 times more. It's 4 time I give Hessert. I'm so excited because it's my last heart. I've already completed the second wish. Now let's move on to the third and final wish, arranging 2 Hello Kitty and Mimmy statues. Let's go to the subway station. When you're in station, just teleport to the 3rd floor. Now this is all the Hello Kitty and Mimmy statue. Now do have buy 2. All right, let's head back to my cafe and let's put down those statues so we can get those new walls. We just have to put down 1 more statue. I'm going to go ahead and just put it right here. But make sure you buy the Hello Kitty and Mimmy statue. That's the only one that will check that one off. But there we go. All 3 are checked off. Let's claim it. And there you have it! You've now completed the birthday wishes for the birthday wish event in my Hello Kitty Cafe on Roblox. If this guide helped, please like and subscribe, and let me know what other guides you'd like to see.